Do everything possible to be profitable in the financial market. Welcome back to this part 2 of these videos on BTMM and ICT. In the first video, we've talked about how we can analyze the markets in the BTMM way. Now, on this second part of it, we'll be integrating SMC. We've analyzed the market based on BTMM, be the market maker. Now, we are going to confirm it, right? We are going to confirm it with our SMC, and that is the easiest way you can actually analyze the market. Remember, in order to be profitable, you need to know where price is coming from so that you can know where price is going. So analyzing the market, seeing the market the same way the smart money trader, the market maker, sees the market, makes your analysis to be easy and gives you maximum profitability, because it is when you can trade with the banks or the market maker, that is when you can have the full maximum profitability that you need in the market. So guys, drop in the comment section whatever question you have, or you have anything you don't understand. In the 24-minute video, I actually break everything down to the simplest form that even a dummies, a beginner, could understand how to analyze the market. And at the end of the video, I drop a trade setup that you can actually see how we did everything. And by the end of the day, I still did a trade recap to explain the setup. So this is the best of all putting it all together videos on how you can combine everything you've learned together to be profitable. Watch
Now,
out as you
at the
enjoy.
peak of
Cheers,
the
guys.
buy, they end the week, right? They've trapped how many people now? They've trapped the buyers. They've trapped the what? The sellers now. Now they trapped the buyers at the end of the what? End of the week. Now, beginning of the week now, they will start what? Giving us a false move. Now the first move now, they will be able to what? To trap the sellers, right? Are you getting the logic?
Okay.
Now they will be able to try, they will use that first move now to trap the sellers. Now, trapping the sellers in the sense that they would also take out the stop loss of those who took this buy earlier. So they balance the what? The equation. They've trapped the seller, they've trapped the buyers. Now, this particular move here now, we expect it to form between Sunday, Monday, and maximum Tuesday. Right? Maximum Tuesday. Maximally on Tuesday. They should give us the second leg of this W. Now, once they're able to trap the what, take out these early buyers with this move here, right? There will be some people that will enter for what? For a sell.
Okay.
Right? So they will also trap the what? The seller. Because once the retail traders see this move, this momentum move here now, they will be forced to take the what? The sell. Right? So trapping them like that, we have this. Now, so once they gave you this now on Monday and at most on Tuesday, don't get it wrong. I keep reminding on what? At most on Tuesday. So once they gave you this move, you are good to go. Right? So the reverse is the case for the what? For the downtrend. The downtrend is going to be what? A, M, A, and what? W. Right? So that's for the downtrend. Exactly. So let's go to a practical one of the time. So, so once we know that that is what we are looking for, so you come down to your what? To our higher time frame, which is our 4 hours time frame. So we've gotten this breaking market structure, right? So from here now, you can see what they do. So they have the what? Why they break in market structure to the upside before they end the what? The weeks, right? So beginning of this week now is this, right? So from this breaking market structure, we've established that we are in a what? In a downtrend. Now this is what we have here. In looking at it from ICT SMC perspective now, right? You know, we've gotten our breaking market structure. right? Uh, okay, so we are waiting for them to take out this inducement, right?
Okay.
So now this inducement now, this is our breaking market structure that we are seeing, right? Then we are waiting for a trap. Now remember that this is a what? This is a bullish, a weekly cycle. You understand? We're in an uptrend.
Okay.
So in BTMM
Yes.
way now, we're expecting them to what? To give us a false move at the beginning of the week, right? So that beginning of the week that we're expecting a false move now, in combining with ICT now, is more like we are waiting for them to come and take out this inducement. You understand the logic?
Yes.
You understand,
SMC, right?
sir? You said
SMC.
yes, SMC
I
now.
said
Now,
SMC.
SMC now. We said before we can continue the uptrend, they must take out the inducement, right?
Yes.
That's SMC. That's SMC, right?
Yes.
Abi?
Yes. Yes. You're right.
Now BTMM now said that now we've established that we are in a what? In a bullish cycle. The two strategy we are
Yes.
using now have aligned together. They both identifying the what? The trend to be what? To be bullish and what? To be bullish.
Yes.
Now, BTMM has said that there will always be
Yes.
a weekly trap, there will always be a trap move at the beginning of the week or ending of the week. Now, with that now, right? With that now, we've identified the inducement in SMC now, right? SMC now, they said they must take out this our inducement here. Now, BTMM is now telling us that now there must be a false move. You understand? So the first move the BTMM is talking about now, this is what is this retracement here, right? Is this
Okay.
retracement here? So we've established that, right? So now BTMM said the first move will always be for Sunday, Monday, and maximum on Tuesday, right? So we've established that,
Okay.
right? So now on Monday
Okay.
now, if they open now, they will give us a sell move, a downtrend just to take out the inducement in SMC way and to
Okay.
set the trap moves.
Okay.
You understand? So now this is our This is our V in BTMM, right? And this is our inducement. So on Monday, on Sunday, on Tuesday now, Wednesday now, they should have given us an anchor, a W anchor, a W pattern
Okay.
to show us that we are bearish for the end of the week. You understand? So that is what you are looking out for, right? So now we've established that on our higher time frame. Okay, so we've gotten our BMS, right? So now combining the two strategies will make things easy for you. Now you know that we are looking for what? We are looking for a false move, right? That's what we are looking for in BTMM. Now in
Yes.
ICT, in SMC now comes in our comes in our order block, right?
Okay.
SMC now comes in our order block. Mr. Ismail, if you are not hearing me, it's coming from probably you do not activate your what? Your you do not activate your WhatsApp. Eh?
Speaker mute.
You didn't
Mute,
activate your speaker.
audio something. It's under mute.
He said,
I said it's under mute. I should check the mute audio, or maybe you should just log out and log in back. You will see immediately it comes up. Audio, you see audio something. Just tap on it.
okay. Okay, so we've established that, right?
Okay. Hello? Hello. 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 Hello.
Okay. I'm with you. Wow. My boss is on the line. Okay. ID. Are we together now?
I can hear you. Yes, yes.
So now we've identified the words, the two section. Now BTMM said there will be a trap move at the beginning of the week, right? Ending of the week, beginning of the day, ending of the day, session begin, session ending. Right. Now
Okay.
SMC now comes in our order block. Now, looking at this, don't remember that this is our what? This is our major trend. This is our expansion, right?
Yes.
Now, in SMC now, what we'll do is that we'll not say we'll look out for our what? A valid order block, right? Is that what we said?
Yes.
Now, in looking out
Yes.
for the valid order block, the order block must what? Mr. Lawal, activate your mic. Olani, ask some. Right? So unmute yourself. So um so now SMC now we'll look for what? For other blocks, right? Now looking for the other block now is also our what? Our POI. Hope you did not forget. Now, so now if you look at this expansion that we have here now, where is our valid order block? Don't forget the criteria for our order block. It must break structure, it must take out liquidity, and it must have imbalance. These three things are very, very important in choosing out your order blocks. Now, from this, our expansion that we have here now, where is our order block? Don't forget, this is our expansion, right? Where is our order block? Mark at our order block.
Okay.
Mr. Lawa.
Yes, I'm with you.
Akujuma.
Yes, sir.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ rí mi kò sí wàhálà.
Ẹ má bínú sí wa.
Ọlọ́run ṣàlékún ìdẹ̀ra fún wa àti ìfọkànbalẹ̀. I understand. Everybody's talking breakfast. So where is our value block and our value?
On this expansion now,
Yes.
I can see. Let me check.
Which of the other block are you looking at? We have like 3 candles there. Which one are we in particular? Now, don't forget the 4 things. We are looking at 4 things. Sorry, not 3 things. The first one is it must break structure. Second one, it must take out liquidity. Third one, it must have an imbalance. And fourth one, unmitigated. It must not be mitigated. Take note. It must not be mitigated. Right? So those are the 4 things we are looking out for.
I don't know how to this thing, Jerry. This.
Right?
I'm trying to get this arrow to indicate it over there, but I don't see it here.
Are you talking about this one here? Yes. Are you talking about this?
No.
Let me enlarge it for us. Are you talking about this one here, this week here?
Not that one. The second one, the upper one.
This one?
No.
The red one.
Yes.
Okay. Now, well, the red one, I also see the red one too, but you agree with me that the red one has also been mitigated with this candle here. has mitigated now, right? It has been mitigated, yes or no?
No.
I don't think so.
It's
I
mitigated.
don't think so.
It's
So we are looking
mitigated.
at three consecutive.
It's,
I thought we are looking at three consecutive candles.
we are looking at what?
3 consecutive candles. Is that not we are?
3 consecutive candles for what?
I mean, in terms of the structure now, the other block structure. And it took out the liquidity from that black one, the previous
Well,
candle.
it took out liquidity, right?
Yes.
That one is there. Does it break structure? It breaks structure. It breaks this structure, right?
Yes.
What else again? We
have
can't see
imbalance.
even it has an imbalance because there's no imbalance. We can't see an imbalance on this candle here.
Yes.
Right? You understand? But if we want to be fair, right, and it has mitigated already. Look at this candle. This week here now, it's actually in this week here. So this candle has mitigated, right? So
Okay.
without the same side, you can just mark out this whole candle now. Now looking at it now, there was somebody that was asking me transfer of what other blocks, right?
Yes.
What other
Yes.
question? Other block be transferred. Now looking at this now, this was what? This is our other block, right?
Yes.
But looking at it now, there's no imbalance, right? But looking at this entire candle here now, this candle now has an imbalance and also take out what? Structure. So we can actually say this is an advanced what? Advanced tip or a pro tip, so let's put it that way. So the other block will be transferred from this candle to this candle here. Just take it that way. I don't know how to
Is it
explain.
because of
Now, he said,
is it because of the mitigation, like you said?
it's because of the mitigation and because it doesn't have an imbalance. So that's why it has to be transferred next candle.
But I don't understand what you mean by you saying it doesn't have an imbalance. We say
Four.
you said
Four.
3 candles. Yeah?
No, not 3 candles. I said 4 criteria must be present. Your other block must have 4 qualities or 4 properties.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The first one, it must be structure. The second one, it must take out liquidity. The third one, it must have an imbalance. Then the fourth one, it must not be mitigated. It must be an unmitigated. That means there has not been any reaction to it. Right?
Okay.
Now, looking at this candle now that you mark here, one, fake structure, fine.
Yes.
Secondly, I took out liquidity on this candle here.
Yes.
Third one now, there is no what? It doesn't have an imbalance. And what? And it has been mitigated with this week.
Is this not an Is this not an imbalance? I mean, the 3 candles, the red and the 2 blacks.
The red and the 2 blacks.
Yes. Is that not an imbalance? I just want to know. We usually see 3 consecutive candles.
Now, if you are marking the imbalance now, okay, this is an imbalance. Okay, that's an imbalance. Now, that's an imbalance, right? But looking at it now, it has been mitigated. Look at this week here. This week has mitigated this week here now. You understand?
This is the first time I'm hearing about this kind of mitigation. The mitigation I know that you taught us is the order flow mitigation. I don't know if you understand my point.
Mr. Lawa.
If the other
Yes, sir.
Do you know about order block mitigation?
Yes.
I've never heard of this before.
Is this other block mitigated or not?
As it is, to me, is not yet mitigated to me.
Okay, now let me clear it for you now. Let's go to now. Remember that mitigation, we have two types of mitigation. We have 50% mitigation, we have 100% mitigation. You understand?
Yes.
But it's not like when I say I'm a virgin, and when I say I'm not a virgin. You understand? Now, and I say, okay, now I've never known men. That means I've never done any romance. I've never kissed. I'm a what? I'm a pure virgin. Abi?
Okay.
But I've done romance, I've kissed, I've hugged. But I've never done the main. Oh, I'm still a virgin though. I'm still a virgin in the sense that the main has not been done. You understand? But I'm not a pure virgin. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is there difference between the two? Is there difference between the two?
Yes, I understand what you're saying.
Understand? So once you understand that, let's mark this candle and go to lower time frame. So you understand what I'm saying now. Okay. Mi ò tí ì mọ ọkùnrin rárá àti rárá. Mo ti ń mọ ọkùnrin díẹ̀díẹ̀ àmọ́ mi hàn tí ìjà ìyàtọ̀ wà ń bẹ̀. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour time frame from there. ID?
Okay.
Here we are. Now, this candle here is not a valid pullback, right? But this other candle here now is a valid what? Pullback, right? So now, it was actually this week that you are looking at, yes or no? Week yield and week. You understand? On 4 hours time frame. Okay, let me make it simpler for you so that you won't get lost. Now I mark the whole candle. I'm not marking the whole candle now. I only want to mark the what? The week. Abi? I think it's better now.
Okay.
Is it better now? We should mark the week alone. Is it not the week that we are considering?
Okay, yes.
You will join with the same link, right? We have less than 3 minutes. So let's go to 1 hour time frame and look at it. All right, so you saw the week that we are looking at now. Now look at it now. Look at this week here. Do you see this week here?
Yes.
Has it tapped this week here? Let me help you to come and draw a horizontal line there so that you see. Is this other block mitigated or not?
That one has been mitigated.
This one has been mitigated, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that means there will be what? A transfer of other block. Where is going to be the next other block?
To that red one.
This red one now is not a valid pullback. Take note. It's not a valid pullback. It's a range. It's inside this bullish candle here. This black candle. Lawan, can you get that?
Okay.
It's not a valid pullback. Those are the way they trap you. It's not a valid pullback, right? So it's going to be this next candle here, right?
The black one.
This black candle here. So now this black candle now, if we want to refine, we'll come down to this week, right? But let's take the whole candle. Let's take the whole candle, right? Now, this other candle here is partially, it has been mitigated too. Because of this what? This week here. Eh?
Okay.
You understand? Is it mitigated or not? Or it's not fully mitigated? You understand the logic?
Yes.
Okay.
Do we all agree on that? This week now has mitigated this other block, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Now, so that means there will be what? A transfer of other block to this candle here because it's big structure. So this one too has mitigated it. So we are left with what? With this candle here now. Abi?